Amid the worsening crisis across the country, there was also that new warning from President-elect Joe Biden today, who now says getting these vaccines out quickly is being hampered by weeks, if not months, because President Trump refuses to cooperate and plan for any transition. And Biden's meeting today with frontline workers and their emotional pleas for more PPE and more testing. Here's our chief White House correspondent, Jonathan Karl, tonight.
Today, President-elect Biden warned President Trump's refusal to begin the transition process threatens to delay efforts to combat the resurgent coronavirus pandemic and distribute a vaccine.
There's a whole lot of things that we just don't have available to us, which unless it's made available soon, we're going to be behind by weeks or months.
Today, Biden heard emotional stories from frontline workers who described a lack of supplies and testing.
Do you know that I have not been tested yet, and I have been on the front lines in the ICU since February?
You're kidding me.
No.
Some Republicans are calling on the president to, at the very least, give President-elect Biden access to briefings. But most Republicans in Congress remain silently on the sidelines. For his part, the president has said nothing about the alarming surge in coronavirus cases and hospitalizations across the country. His Twitter feed has been dominated by baseless tweets, insisting that he won the election and that there is voter fraud all over the country. That's just not true. The president's legal team has been losing over and over again, failing to offer any credible evidence to back up the president's allegations. The Trump team has lost or withdrawn 14 separate lawsuits. In Michigan, where Biden beat Trump by more than 150,000 votes, two Republican officials in Wayne County briefly refused to certify the election, a move that would have tossed out all of the votes in the city of Detroit. That prompted an angry public outcry, including on a public forum over Zoom.
You talked about not certifying Detroit, even though you acknowledged that Livonia, a city, by the way, I know you know is 95% white, had bigger variances than Detroit, which is 80% black. We understand. Just know when you try to sleep tonight, the law isn't on your side, history won't be on your side, your conscience will not be on your side, and Lord knows, when you go to meet your maker, your soul is going to be very, very warm.
The two Republicans quickly backed down and certified the election results. The simple truth, there is no evidence of widespread voter fraud. As Christopher Krebs, the top cybersecurity official at the Department of Homeland Security, said last week, quote, "The November 3rd election was the most secure in American history." For that, he was fired. The president tweeting overnight that Krebs had been terminated effective immediately. The Trump campaign has decided not to request a full recount in the state of Wisconsin, which they would have had to pay for, instead asking for a recount in just two mostly Democratic counties. And David, no suggestion it would do anything to change the outcome in Wisconsin.
All right, John Karl with us again tonight. Thank you, John.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.